Enabling two-factor authentication 2FA on your Bittrex account is an important step to enhance your account's security. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your Bittrex account. Visit the Bittrex website and log in using your credentials. Ensure you are using a secure and private internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings by clicking on your profile icon or name in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Find two-factor authentication option. In the Settings menu, look for the Security section. Here, you will find the option for two-factor authentication. Click on it to begin the setup process. Step 4. Choose your 2FA method. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROG to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After setting up your 2FA method, you will need to enter a verification code generated by your Authentication app. Enter this code in the required field and save your changes to complete the setup. By following these steps, you will successfully enable two-factor authentication on your Bittrex account, adding an extra layer of security. Always remember to keep your authentication device secure and back up any recovery codes provided during the setup.